Welcome to the YouTube channel of Truck Driving Info. In Binghamton, New York, the United States, NAPA Transportation is looking for a full-time Class A truck driver that is motivated and experienced. Trucking firm NAPA Transportation, Inc. provides logistics services to companies across the U.S. The business is family-run and family-owned. Over 1,700 pieces of company-owned equipment are operated by over 500 committed personnel working across 5 terminals. Despite changes in the industry, we have upheld our promises to our staff and clients. Job description. Job position, CDL Class A truck driver. Organization, NAPA Transportation. Location, Binghamton, United States of America. Posted on the 8th of January 2023. Position type, full-time. Company offers. Your experience will determine your pay rate. The company will pay you up to 67 cents per hour. You can get $3,000 from the company as a sign-on bonus. Veterans of the armed forces will get an additional $500. Orientation pay of $1,000 is available to you. Also, possibilities for both annual and monthly bonuses. Benefits. You can spend every weekend at home. No need to handle the cargo. No NYC. You are qualified for a comprehensive benefits package. Weekly direct deposits serve as payments. Pets and passengers policy. Every truck has free direct TV. For more details and to apply online, visit the link in the video description. Thank you, guys.